We're at 400.
400! Welcome to episode number 2. So, I called my friend this morning because he's doing a 500-kilometer challenge. So he's driven all through the night. He started yesterday, I think around 11 o'clock, and now he has a final 180 kilometers to do. And I'm gonna go and make sure that he gets it done. I've had a fantastic night's sleep. Look at this view. Let's go.
Oh, no, Guerilla block, where you from?
Zach, I'm strictly business, just like EPMD. I'm BLACK from the CBT, where they dip them cigarettes in PCP, and them bras, they believe in me. So, CIB.
The good thing about Switzerland, it smells like cow all the time. Ah, the fresh air. Yeah, Daniel. How you doing, man?
Yeah, good. Doing better than before when we called.
Talk us through how much you've done.
Now 353 kilometers.
353. So 500 minus 353 is...
Yeah, dude, still have to do 150.
150? All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
Yo, Daniel. So how you feeling?
Yeah, good. Pretty okay. My butt hurts. My legs are fine, and my feet hurt a little bit.
So what route have you done?
The first loop is a winter tour, like the whole Bodensee, Religioso. And then I don't really know because it was dark, right?
Yeah.
But it's like Appenzell. Oop.
And then you've done Ibergerecht.
Exactly. Then I went to Rappi, Halville, had breakfast, and then Zug, Aar, Goldau, Ibergerecht, and now we're doing Salt Lake now, right?
Yeah.
And then finally we're gonna do loops of the lake.
Nice. Yeah. And then we should get to 500 kilometers. Nice. Let's go. Just going up Satterleg, and there's loads of people from the tour coming down the hill. Super! I'm trying to give them more motivation. Wow, style. Super! I got friends. I have friends.
Descending.
Descent time.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
We finished Satterleg, and now we're just doing laps of the Zurich Lake till Daniel finally gets his 500 kilometers. Whoop woo!
Get on the mic! What's going on? I've seen the guys going, I gotta catch a train, but welcome.
Mate, he's on kilometer 308.
Hey man, enjoy man, good work. Yeah. Hey, I thought I knew that bike. I gotta catch the train,
Take
man.
care, man. I'll see you soon. Take care.
Who's Jürgen?
He's very good. So, you're on kilometer 380?
Yeah, 380, and I'm f***ing over it.
So, Daniel's had a pizza, and spirits are low. We've resorted to just doing a lap of the Obersee. He can't climb, he's not motivated, I can fully understand him. Epic.
Big problem. The water bottle is loose. Yeah. For sake, bro, seriously, come on, man. You don't have any tools. For sake. Alright, dude, look, man, I think we just need to fucking take our thumbs out of our assholes and just fucking gun these 130k.
Yeah,
You just do slipstreaming.
You want to suck on my wheel or do I suck on your wheel?
I like to suck on yours.
Yeah.
I can do most of the sucking.
All right, cool. Let's do it. So we stopped for a quick break because it's fucking hot.
Are we at, we're at 400.
We're 400! 400!
I am invincible, unbreakable, unstoppable, unshakable. They knock me down, I get up again. I am the champion.
Daniel's gone into angry mode. It's like, get this done. Mr. Rapido. Look at that. He's got his handlebars down. Nice. Final 50k. I can't film anything. It's the most boring of rides. But we're basically just now doing down to Zurich and back. That's about as exciting as this trip's gonna get now. No nice countrysides anymore. How do you feel?
Ready to go home?
Yo, epic news. 10 kilometers left. Come on. Excitement. Woohoo. 10k. Come on. So we're into the final 4k. Nearly done. Daniel's nearly at the 500. Anyway, nearly there. Come on. Did 500k, Daniel. Woo! Daniel, I think you've done a sick job. Proud of you, man. 500 kilometers and now a swim in the Zürichsee.
Yeah, thanks for the slipstreaming.
Yes! Good stuff, man. So I got 180 kilometers. Daniel got 500 kilometers. 2 new PBs. I'm happy. Absolutely sick day out of biking. Like, share, write a comment on which pass you want us to do next. And the most popular one we'll just go do. Let's go!
Stop playing with them, Riot. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party.